Hi little buddy, so first you have to draw the frames. As you can see, the exact measurements are showing on the video. So this is a small size frame, but if you want a big one, you can add more inches. Now cut the inner part of one frame, and please remember, if you are underage, ask your parents or elders to guide you, please, because it can be hurtful. Now after cutting precisely, we will get our both frames. Now you have to stick 3 cardboard pieces on 3 sides. For seamless smooth look, add masking tape at the edge. Now draw cute elements of your choice and cut it out. Now one of the most interesting part, painting. So remember, whenever you are painting the cardboard, first dip your brush into the water and then paint it out. Because cardboards are meant to be soak lot of paint. This simple trick will help you lot of paint and efforts. Now arrange all the elements how you want to stick. Now moving towards the stand, follow the simple step as I am showing in the video. That's it, your own homemade frame is ready. For more such videos, please subscribe.